We are doing an onion salad. Of hot pepper scotch bonnet, Dijon mustard, black pepper, salt, some sunflower oil. You can add garlic, but if you are not eating the salad on the same day, the garlic will tend to turn green and give a very bad taste to your salad. I never put garlic on anything that I keep for longer than 1 day in the fridge if it contains vinegar and lime. This onion recipe is great for your seasoned rice or for grilled sausage, any grill meat. And you season your onion as if it's a vegetable rather than a seasoning. I personally love crunchy onion. If the white or brown onion is too harsh for your taste bud, you can use red onion. In this onion salad, we will add parsley. You don't have to put vinegar and lime, but personally, I love both, so I put both.